Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smartphone World. Facebook, one of the major social media platforms, is known for tracking all our personal information. But after Cambridge Analytica exposed a scandal about Facebook, the company agreed to provide the users the complete control over the data they share with Facebook. If you just look at the amount of data Facebook collects about you, I am pretty sure that you'll be shocked to see how much Facebook knows about you. They know more about your personal choices than our family and friends. Facebook collects all this information for showing us relevant ads, which is how they make money, and they feel it is more important to show us relevant ads. If you are concerned about your privacy, then let me share the settings that you need to change right now so that you can have the control over the data you share with Facebook. First, let's start by removing access from unwanted apps and games that you are given permission to access your Facebook profile over a period of time. In the Facebook app, press the hamburger icon on the right corner. You will be presented with the list of menus and settings. Scroll all the way down and select Settings. Under Security section, select Apps and Websites, then select Logged in with Facebook option to see the list of apps for which you have shared Facebook profile information. You can revoke access for each individual apps. To prevent other apps to access your information in future, in Preference section, click the Edit button in Apps, Website and Games box and turn off the settings so that no app or website can access your data. In Facebook, you can play instant games and these games will have access to your profile details. Under Security section, select Instant Games and you can see the list of games that have access to your profile information. You can remove the access to unwanted games, however, these apps will still have access to information that we have already shared with them. I feel no one wants Facebook to monitor our exact location details. To prevent Facebook from actively monitoring our location, under Security section, select Location option, then go to Location Access and turn off Location Services. To prevent Facebook from building history of our location, go to Location History and make sure the Location History option is turned off. To delete all the location information Facebook has gathered about you, go to View Location History option, enter password and click the 3-dot icon on the top corner. You have options to delete location history for a particular day or all days. I would strongly recommend to delete all your location history details. As I said earlier, Facebook collects a lot of information about us. Now you can take a look at the information collected by Facebook under your information section. Select Access Your Information option to see all the information Facebook has collected about you. To clear the information, go to Activity Log option, select Category and you can clear the activity feed if needed. Recently, Facebook has added a new feature to monitor and track our activities even when you are not using Facebook. Now Facebook monitors your offline activity so that they can recommend better ads and feeds. To stop off Facebook activity, under your Facebook information section, select Off Facebook Activity to see the basic overview of information Facebook has collected about you. You can use Manage Your Facebook Activity option to see the list of apps and websites that have shared your information to Facebook. As you guys can see, nearly 340 apps have shared my information with Facebook. Facebook introduced this feature 2 months ago and I don't even remember that I have visited 340 websites and apps. So that's how much information Facebook and other companies collects about you. If you select an app, you will have option to stop off Facebook activity for that particular app. You can use the Clear History option to clear all of your stored off Facebook activity. Select More options and you can see the option to access your information, download your information and manage future activity. Select Manage Future Activity and toggle off the Future Off Facebook Activity option to prevent Facebook from collecting your off Facebook activity details. As I mentioned earlier, Facebook collects all the info to show us relevant ads. In Ad section, select Ad Preferences and go to Advertisers and Business to see the list of brands that are using Facebook info to show us ads. If you don't want to see ads from particular brand, for example Flipkart, you can select the brand and use the Hide Ads option to stop seeing ads from that brand. Last but not the least, instead of spending so much time to control how Facebook uses our data, you can just deactivate your account or go all in and delete your account. To do so, in Settings under your Facebook information section, select Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation and Deletion option and you have options to choose between account deletion or deactivation. So I have shared the ways in which you can protect your data on Facebook. I do know it's not a lot, but it's something we need to do to protect our privacy. If you have any unique tip to protect our privacy in Facebook, share them in the comment section. If you guys find this video useful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, do what you love no matter what the outcome is. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.